Welcome back, guys. So today I'll be showing you how to take a sniper entry using just your Fibonacci retracement. So let's dive into the video. So I'll be showing you how to take a sniper entry using just your Fibonacci retracement. So as you can see, I've identified my support and resistance zone. We're going to be using Euro USD for this trade. So I'll show you a trade I took a few days back, and I'll show you how to get into the trade on a sniper level. So, in the market you have to think like a sniper. You have to think very, very fast and very, very wise. So this is the chart on Euro USD. Sorry, I don't know why I like making that mistake. This is a chart on Euro USD. So you can see I've identified the support and resistance zone. So now let's play and see what happens. So as you can see, price is finding it difficult to break through the resistance, and finally it broke through. So we're looking for how to take a buy position on this chart. So we're going to be buying on the resistance below, but I will show you how to get into the market and how to exit the market real quick. So you can see the price is going. And there we have it. The price has touched the resistance level. So what we are looking for now is how to take a buy from this position. So now what I will show you is how to take a buy 100% buy without losing. Let's say forex, there's no way you would not take a loss in the market, but I can guarantee you that if you follow this procedure, you'll be getting at least in your evaluation over 10, you should be getting 7 over 10. So this strategy always works. So I'll be showing you how to take a buy on this chart. Now you can see prices on our resistance zone. So we're going to take a buy from this point. So how do we take this buy? I will show you. Now as you can see, we have hold on, let me show you guys something. We have a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low. That was when price touched the resistance zone. So but we are looking for a buy. Now you can see what price did after this lower low. Instead of a lower high, then another lower low, what price did was price broke structure. So automatically we are now sure that the buyers are now in the market. So we're looking for how to take a sniper entry to the upside. So let's change the time frame. I had to zoom out from the to see the overall chart. Now from the 1 hour, you take your Fibonacci retracement, you place it on the top, and then you drag it down to the ending. Now as you can see, the fair value gap of this chart is right on the midway zone of the resistance. So we wait for price to get to the fair value gap first. You wait for price to get to the fair value gap. I want to take a buy, a sniper entry. With this, you would hardly lose in the market. So the guys, you can see the price has touched its first time, it got rejected. Second time, it got rejected. As you can see, the price got into the fair value gap and it got rejected back to the downside. So we look for the fair value gap for this mini up move. We'll take it from here down to the top. As you can see, there is a fair value gap of this up movement. So that's how I got this 15 minutes resistance. This one, this yellow resistance that I placed here, that's how I got it. So this is where we take this buy. From this 15 minutes, we are looking for our buy. So let's see what the market is doing. Make sure you have patience. Make sure you are very, very patient with the market. Some traders at this point, they would have taken the buy already and they will lose a lot of money. But you chill, you stay calm, don't rush, don't do anything rash that you will regret. Follow your strategy, follow your rules, and always be very patient. Be very patient. So we're waiting for price to get into our point of interest before we can take the buy. And like I said, I will show you how to take a sniper entry that you are going to be having a very, very small risk to reward, and still you're still going to win. And you can see the price is coming back down. For those that was not patient and took this trade, they would have lost their money. So wait for price. Boom, there we have it. And now let's go back in and find how we can take our trade to the upside. Okay, you can see it has touched one. No confirmation candle for us to take the buy yet. We'll wait for it. Touch 2. As you can see right here, very simple, very simple. Let's draw this line right here. I'll show you things to look out for. I'll tell you guys how I got this line I'm about to draw right now. This line and then another line at the bottom. Let me take this one a bit down so you can see it clearly. So what do we have here? Just like before, let me draw it for you guys so you can see it very clearly. As you can see, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low, which caused a sweep of liquidity, then a higher high. Now how do we know that this is a higher high? You will know a higher high after the high sweep, after the high closes above the previous lower high, which that's exactly what happened. That's why I called it a break of structure. As you can see, the price closed above the previous lower high after a sweep of liquidity. So definitely we are going to take a buy. So now how do we take our buy? Come down to our Fibonacci. Hold on. Get to our Fibonacci again. We draw, and this is our zone right here. You can see it very, very clearly. Right here. And that's it. So guys, this is our snipe. What did I call it before? I said this is a sniper entry. We are in, and let's try to the top. Guys, remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so that when next I make videos like this, you'll be notified. So smashed, and that's how it goes. See you in my next video. Peace.